I am Josephine, Assistant Professor of Physics, Nalasimha Reddy Engineering College. Now I am going to discuss about density of force. Density of force in valence band. Now this density of force is represented by P. Let dP be the number of force present in the valence band between the energy levels EV and E. Now the expression for density of force in the valence band is given by dP is equal to Z of E into 1 minus F of E d. Here Z of E dE is the density of states between the energy levels EV and E, and 1 minus F of E is the probability of finding the number of holes. As we know that F of E is the probability of finding the electrons, the total probability is 1. From that, if you subtract the probability of electrons, then we will get the probability of finding holes. So, to get the whole number of holes in the valence band, the probability is 1 minus F of E. Now, the expression for density of states Z of E dE is 4 pi by h cube into 2 mh star whole power 3 by 2 into e power half d. Now here in place of E I am going to write EV minus E because the number of holes are present between these two energy levels E and E, because the holes are present in this valence band. So here in place of E I am going to write EV minus E. So the density of states is 4 pi by h cube into 2 mh star whole power 3 by 2 into EV minus E whole to the power of half d. So this is the expression for density of states. Now we are going to calculate the probability of finding the holes, that is 1 minus F of E. We know that F of E is the probability of finding an electron. The expression for F of E is 1 by 1 plus exponential of E minus EF divided by K. Now I am going to take the LCM for this. So we get F of E is equal to 1 plus exponential of E minus EF divided by KT minus 1 divided by 1 plus exponential of E minus EF divided by K. So now in the numerator this plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So the remaining term is exponential of E minus EF divided by KT by 1 plus exponential of E minus EF by K. Now here this, if E minus EF is less than KT, then this exponential term is very small when compared to 1. So here in the denominator we are neglecting the exponential term. So when you neglect the exponential term in the denominator, the value of F of E becomes exponential of E minus EF divided by KT. Now I am going to substitute this F of E value and 1 minus F of E value we are going to calculate. So this 1 minus F of E value we are going to write in this equation 1. So dP, the number of holes present in the valence band, dP is equal to Z of E into 1 minus F of E. Z of E is 4 pi by h cube into 2 mh star whole power 3 by 2 into EV minus E whole power half. In place of 1 minus F of E, the expression becomes exponential of E minus EF divided by K into D. So this is the expression for the number of holes. Now to get the total number of holes in the valence band, we have to integrate this equation. So P is equal to integral of dV, that is between the limits minus infinity to EV. So integral minus infinity to EV 4 pi by h cube 2 mh star whole power 3 by 2 into EV minus E whole power half exponential of E minus EF by kT into dV. Now I am taking the constant terms out of the integral. So it becomes 4 pi divided by h cube into 2 mh star whole power 3 by 2 into exponential of minus EF divided by kT into integral of minus infinity to EV minus E whole power half into exponential of E by kT into dV. Now we are going to solve this integral. So to solve this integral, let us write EV minus E is equal to x. So to solve this integral, I am going to substitute EV minus E is equal to x. From this we can write EV is equal to E plus x, or if you write dE, or if you want to calculate dx, which becomes minus d. So here in place of E, if I substitute minus infinity, then it becomes E is equal to minus infinity, then EV becomes plus infinity. So x becomes plus infinity. So here in place of E is equal to EV, then x becomes 0. EV minus E, so x becomes 0. Now I am simplifying this integral. So if I simplify this integral, minus infinity to E V into EV minus E whole to the power of half exponential of E by kT into dx. Now dE. So this integral I am simplifying. So to simplify this, so minus infinity, if I substitute minus infinity, the limit becomes plus infinity, and if I substitute EV, the limit becomes 0, infinity to 0. EV minus E is nothing but x. So x power half into exponential of the value of E is EV minus x. EV minus x divided by kT into dE. What is the value of dE? Is minus dx. So I am writing this negative sign out of the integral, minus dx. Now to remove that negative sign, I am interchanging the limits. So integral 0 to infinity x to the power of half exponential of EV minus x by kT into dx. Now take this constant term out of the integral. So it becomes exponential of EV by kT into integral 0 to infinity x power half e power minus x by kT dx. Now I am going to write the value of this integral using gamma function. The value of this integral using gamma function is exponential of EV by kT into the value of this integral using gamma functions is kT power 3 by 2 into pi power half divided by 2. Now substitute this value in this integral so that the expression for number of poles P is equal to 4 pi divided by h cube into 2 mh star whole power 3 by 2 into exponential of, here we have minus EF by kT, here we have EV by kT. These two together I am writing. So exponential of EV minus EF divided by kT into, the expression for this integral is kT to the power of 3 by 2 into pi power half divided by 2. Now this 2's I am getting cancelled, so that the final expression for the number of poles is 2 into 2 pi mh star by kT whole power 3 by 2 2 pi m star kt by h square whole power 3 by 2 into exponential of EV minus EF divided by K. So this is the final expression for density of force, that is 2 into 2 pi m star kt by h square whole power 3 by 2 exponential of EV minus EF by kt is the expression for number of volts or density of volts in valence band. So this is the final expression for density of volts in the valence band.